Hi everyone, my name is Jorge and we are at Draper. Today on Local Sips, I'll be making my cocktail, the Tropical Bliss. So today we're here on the Tiki Lounge and this is what inspired me to make this cocktail. The flavors that I wanted to showcase here were pineapple, a little bit of mango, coconut, and with a tiny bit of bitterness. So for this drink, I have lime juice, fresh pineapple juice. I made a mango coconut syrup, and then I'll have Aperol, which adds a little bit of bitterness. For smokiness, a tiny bit, we have mezcal. The rum that I'll be using today will be the Plantation Original Dark, which is used in most tropical cocktails and in the Tiki culture. For the cocktail, the Tropical Bliss, so we're gonna start by smoking the glass. I'm gonna be using cinnamon and star anise. And you can already see that smoke right there. It's for aromatics of the drink. If you want to make a really good cocktail, you should always use fresh ingredients. So today I have just fresh lime juice. So we'll do half an ounce of fresh lime juice. Then we'll move into my homemade syrup, which has mango, coconut sugar, add a little bit of serrano pepper for spice, and a tiny bit of salt. So we'll do half an ounce of that as well. And like I said before, fresh ingredients are always the best. We're gonna use fresh pineapple. We'll do 1.5 ounces of that, so 1 full ounce, and then half an ounce. Perfect. We'll move into Aperol for bitterness. A little bit tiny touch of grapefruit peels, lemon peels, orange peels, with an essence of rhubarb in there as well. So we'll do half an ounce of that, which goes perfectly with the mango flavored that I made in the syrup. And then for smokiness, one of my favorite spirits, personally, mezcal. So we're gonna use Montalobos Mezcal this time. We'll do half an ounce of that. We'll do 1.5 ounce of Plantation Dark, Original Dark. 1.5 ounces. Add some ice in the tin. And now for the shake. Little hard shake to mix all those ingredients together. Ooh, you can see that smoke right there. Look at that. Oh, that smells so good. That smells great. Cool. And I want to fine strain this just to get all those tiny bit. Of ice. They're perfect. Perfect. That's gonna be awesome room for the garnish. And the garnish is gonna be a dehydrated lime, dehydrated pineapple, and a pineapple leaf. And you have the little toucan there too. I present you my Tropical Bliss. Cheers. Okay everyone, thank you for joining us on Local Sips today. My name is Jorge. Check me out on Instagram at WeCocktail. Cheers.